Hey there, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair. I'm here today to talk to you folks about printers, specifically what would be the best printer to meet your specific needs. There are really two major types of printers. One is an inkjet and one is a laser printer. Let's take a look at them right now. Right here you have your typical inkjet printer. Basically, it can fax, it can scan, it can copy, and obviously it can print. And it prints in color, and it costs to do the ink to rebuy all of the ink cartridges. It costs about $38.50 because you have to buy all those ink cartridges every time, and it does about 300 sheets. The ink can dry out if you don't use it. So some people only print like 300 sheets in a year, and then they find that they have to buy ink more often because they print so seldom. On the other hand, you've got something called a laser printer, and that is what these guys are. Now, these are monochrome laser printers, which means they only print in shades of gray. This one right up here is a just a printer, so no scanning, no faxing, nothing copying, nothing like that. It'll basically just print sheets and print envelopes. Costs 90 bucks, and the toner card is about 80 bucks. The difference between the laser printer and the inkjet, other than the fact that the laser is monochrome and the inkjet is color, is that the laser printer will do 3,000 sheets on a toner card. So it's a lot more economical to print off of a laser printer. Also, the ink is toner, so it doesn't dry out because it's already dry. It's not a liquid. If you want to move up a bit, you can go to the monochrome laser printer with a scanner. And you can get these either with just a flatbed scanner, if all you need to do is generally just one sheet, or you can get them with an automatic document feeder like this one for just a little more, and then you could put multiple sheets in there. And this will do everything that the inkjet will do except print in color. It'll scan in color. You can copy, you can fax, the whole 9 yards. And they're great. They're amazing. I mean, they will save you a lot of money. Now, if you want to print in color, which really it's not really that necessary. If you're printing out photos and things like that, you really should be uploading them to a company like Walgreens or something and having them print out your photos. That way, if one doesn't turn out, you don't have to pay for it. But if you really want to print in color, there are options. This is a color laser printer. Notice how it's $400, and it's 400 bucks because it comes as a color laser printer, and it comes with a flatbed scanner with an automatic document feeder. So this will do everything. Now the ink cartridges generally run for a color, because there are four of them, for a color laser printer, you're going to pay about something like 250 bucks for a set of ink cartridges. But once again, they're going to do 3,000 sheets as opposed to 38 bucks for only 300 sheets. So it is still cheaper than printing from an inkjet. It's just not as cheap as if you had the monochrome. Now, if you don't need the scanner, you just want to be able to print in color, you can get this guy right here. It's only 175 bucks. And once again, it uses the four toner cartridges. So that's basically what you want to ask yourself. Do you need color? Do you need to scan? Do you need to scan multiple sheets? Uh, these are going to kind of guide you in the direction as to what you need in out of a printer. But I really would consider giving laser strong consideration because it does represent and in color it represents a savings, and in monochrome it represents a massive savings. Um, if you need any help, feel free to call me, Bensman Home Computer Repair, 901-830-4362. If you are not in the Memphis area, any competent computer technician can help you purchase and install one of these printers. I do tend to recommend brother, and anything Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 should be perfectly compatible, as well as with current Mac computers. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my videos and my channel. This is Dave Bensman, Bensman Home Computer Repair, signing off. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope the tutorial on how to use your Windows more effectively was of some help. I'll be doing more tutorials in the future. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And that's Dave Bensman from Bensman Home Computer Repair. Thank you very much.